video is going to be all about my journey with rice water. So I've done a little bit of research on this, and I've researched so far that it's basically about the minerals that's in the rice water that have been growing all of these people throughout the YouTube journey of natural hair. So I wanted to take this journey by myself since my hair is straight. As you guys know, I've mentioned it all the time, I do my hair a lot more, so I wash my hair bi-weekly, which is, every 2 weeks. So I decided that I want to start doing a challenge, and I want to apply the rice water added to my weekly hair wash routine, and just to see if I get any length. Now, I recently cut my hair about, what was it? Maybe like 3 months ago or so, and it grew back a lot, but it has, grown back, but I got my ends clipped again recently, so I'm like, it's perfect time, my ends are good, I should be good. So I have my hair in this ponytail. I'm just going to take it out because I just want to show you guys what I'm working with so far so that we can see the difference together. Hopefully my hair will grow. It's dirty now, so that's why I usually don't use this little comb, but I just use it just for these purposes. So I'm going to first go by the front, and I'm going to do this same exact thing in 2 weeks, and I'm going to do it for 2 months just to see if I retain any length. So this is the front, and I did have layers, and I do kind of still have layers, so it's going to be a little different. Okay, so this is what we're working with now for the front. Oh, wow. My front is pretty long. And then I'm just going to do the sides, and I'll probably just insert some pictures for the back. And this is the side. So let me see if you guys can see that. So it's like a little bit, and I'm not like doing too much pulling or anything like that. It's like, let's see. So it's like right at my button on this side, and then on this side, I'll be sure to part my hair the same way and everything. And if you guys haven't watched my inversion method video, so it's kind of like at the button on both sides. If you guys haven't watched my inversion method video, I will link that below. That video has a lot of views, mainly because it actually does work, guys. I did the inversion method, and my hair grew. A lot of people were like, oh, you measured this side or you measured that side. Guys, I wouldn't just make this up. I mean, I'm not getting paid to make this stuff up. My hair actually grew when I did inversion method. I did inversion method as well as like the massage method with like the oil and everything. And my hair really did grow. I tried it another time about a year after that. Maybe not quite a year, but I'll put that video, I'll link that video as well. But it did not do as well. So I'm going to see how this rice challenge actually works. So this is just the beginning of this video. I will be having how I make it in the next clip, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so this is the rice that I'm going to be using today. It's just extra long grain rice, and it has a high amount of protein in it. And I got this one from, I believe, Family Dollar. And then what I got is 1 cup of water. I just poured it into this container like so. And then you want to go in and add the rice to it. I added about 40% of rice into the cup. So not halfway through, just about 40%. And made sure that I got all of the rice in there, as you guys can see. And this is what it's going to look like once it's all combined into a container.